Yo, okay. Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This my Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, IP Boys FX. Yo, what's up, gang? Welcome back. I just want to introduce myself to you guys on this video. It's been a long time, so I just want to do this. I love doing forex trading and YouTube videos, which I so much love to do. So that's why I'm taking you guys to this video is giving you guys a little bit part of me, so that you guys get to know me on this channel. A lot of things which I'm gonna give you guys. I'm so much excited that I'm doing this to help others, understand? So I can't just sit in trading only me without not teaching. I love teaching, imparting knowledge to others so that they will also learn everything, or also learn whatever they want online, and also earn money. 3 tips if you want to start up your forex trading as a beginner. Maybe you are my new subscriber, or you are a returning subscriber, or you just pop into this video. So these are 3 good steps which I'm gonna give you guys, which will help you as a beginner trader. So the first step I'm gonna give you guys is if you are starting your forex journey account, I will recommend you as a beginner to download your MetaTrader account. Your MetaTrader account, when I say your MetaTrader account, I mean your demo trading account. This demo trading account will help you to know some certain basics on trading, some good things you need to learn as a beginner. Download your MT5, or you can download your MT4. So MT5 and MT4 is always the same thing. The difference between an MT4 and MT5 account is that MT4 account is mostly for forex trading pays and other things, a little bit other things. That's what MT4 is focused on. So the new version of MetaTrader is MetaTrader 5, which is the MT5. The MT5 is the latest version. The MT5 is really random. It focuses on a lot of things. It helps about many investment pairs like crypto, futures, oil, gold, and also forex trading pay. Like when I say forex trading pays or currency pays, I mean like Euro USD, GGP USD, USD card, a lot of things. When I mean crypto, I mean Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other things, and other metal trader like oil, US oil, gold, silver, platinum, like stock trading, understand? So that's the #1 thing you need to do as a forex trader. The second tips that I'm gonna give you guys, is really important as a new trader. If you really want to engage in trading, you really need a mentor. Engage on a mentorship class. Mentorship class is not about you maybe getting a paid mentorship class or a free mentorship class. Both can work for you, because as we are in this world, a lot of things we come from different places, from different backgrounds. Your parents can have money, or my parents can be poor. You can afford a mentorship class, and why me, I can't afford a mentorship class. So everybody is different, and it depends on the way you learn. So the main thing is for you to learn. Get the knowledge first. Don't try to pursue the money or trying to earn before you learn. You learn first, get the knowledge, get the skill, because that's the main thing you need. Engage on a mentorship class. Any mentor that you know that is perfect for you, that you always, whenever you watch his video or whenever you are in the class, you understand a good bit of what he's explaining to you. Just engage, whether it's paid or non-paid mentorship class. You can't just learn startup or in forex journey trying to learn without a mentor. Understand? You always want a mentor to tutor you, to teach you what you don't know, and other things which will help you, both strategy and a lot of things which your mentor will help you on. So that is it for the second one. The third one is the last one, but it is not end yet. So this third one is after you learning all your strategy, getting your trading plan, and other things. The third one is very nice and essential because without it you can't get your consistency. You know, we normally say that the consistency you are looking out for is on your mind. Understand? So the third one is being disciplined. If you are being a kind of person that is disciplined on your trading, it will really help you on your growth, and it will also make you to be consistent, because discipline is the main thing. Discipline and patience is the main thing on this game. You can't just pop out like once you have trading plan, you're not following your trading plan and other things. It will give you a big shot, because this is not a child's play or where you just normally come and do anyhow. The way you approach the market is the way the market also approach to you. You understand? If you leave the market as if it's like a child's play or it's like not a real game, it will also collect your money and give it to those that are serious and also disciplined traders. So guys, this is my first intro video. Like me to give it on the next video. Comment below, share, and also subscribe, guys.
Yeah. Vinyl Days. DJ Premier. That's my homie, that's my idol.